Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split a layer. To split a layer in Adobe After Effects CC 2020, select the layer that you want to split, drag the current time indicator or the playhead to wherever you want the new layer to begin. I have this selected. I'm going to press Shift Cmd D. If you're on a Windows machine, that would be Shift Control D, but Shift Cmd D. And you'll see that made a duplicate copy of that layer, and the new layer begins wherever I had that playhead located. To split multiple layers, just hold the Command key or the Control key and select which layers that you want. Drag the current time indicator to where you want the layers to split. Hit Shift Command D, and you'll see all of those layers just split onto their own tracks, and they start where the playhead was located. To split all of the layers on your timeline, you can either select all the layers or you can deselect all the layers. I'm going to deselect all the layers. I can just click anywhere outside of the timeline to deselect, or the keyboard shortcut to deselect everything is to press the F2 key. So F2, I'm going to deselect, and I'm just going to drag the current time indicator to where I want to split all the layers. I'm going to press Shift Command D, and boom. All of the layers were duplicated and they were split, and they start to wherever that current time indicator was located. And don't worry, forget the keyboard shortcut. Just select the layer, drag the current time indicator to where you want to split the layer, come up to the Edit menu, and there you go. Split layer, Shift Command D. My name is Mike Murphy. That is how you split a layer in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. Cheers.